Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today I'm gonna show you how to move columns in Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the columns you want to move. Now click on the letter at the top of the column that will select the entire column. Now right click on the selected column letter and choose Cut from the context menu. Then after click on the letter of the column where you want to place the cut column. Now right click on the selected column and choose Insert Cut Cells from the context menu. As you see, your column has now moved to the new location. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.